this is at 15 Daldy Street, and this is a building used to have some 1960s OTIS. Look what Schindler did to them! I am definitely not happy myself because it actually comes from the original, and I did not photograph them. How depressing. But, yeah, these are actually Schindler 6500s, not 5500s, so let's take a ride. Take a ride in them. Oh, what happened in here?
Lift is going up.
Oh gosh.
Door closing.
What a 6? Oh god, where is it? What? Yeah, the lift has got a 6500 mod. It's very hard to see in here. Cab's pretty decent though.
Floor 6.
And
Door
6?
opening.
Yeah, other lift's over there. So.
Door closing.
Nice. Let's go to ground. Then after that we'll take the other lift. I don't think there's any difference. Yeah, this is a very dim lit. Seriously, when they modernized them, they could have put in, I don't know, new lighting. Here we go, ground. Watch button grabs.
Ground floor.
Ground.
Door opening.
Yeah, send this up to 6.
Door closing.
Let's just have to go. And yeah, let's take a look at this one. And, oh no! Same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. I thought this one would have the light thing, but yeah, they've all been cut up now. Oh dear. Well, that was depressing. Because I thought they would keep the original feature of the lights, but they have not. That's sad.